Ever woke up to melodious vocals at dawn or was not able to sleep at all due to their chorus, wondering the purpose of this noise? Sound serves as a very effective mode of communication for animals. We make sound waves with the larynx, our so-called voice box. Compared to humans, the sound producing organ in birds is located further down in the respiratory pathway. This is where single tube of trachea forks into two tubes called bronchi, which connect to the lungs. Thin membrane in the sidings vibrate as exhaled air rushes past through them. Vocals produced by the birds can be categorized into two categories: calls and songs. Now, what are calls and what are songs? The sounds that we humans think are pretty or at least complex, more lengthy and interesting, we tend to call those as songs. Whereas the label sounds that are shorter and simpler as calls. Songs are primarily associated with mate attraction during the breeding season or territorial defense. This is Oriental magpie robin, which breeds mainly from March to July in North India. The courtship display of male involves singing from high exposed perches, as their melodious chorus of whistles can be commonly heard at dawn in the spring season. Purple sunbirds are quite noisy during breeding season, which is from April to June in North India. The breeding male performs a courtship display which involves raising his head, fanning his tail and fluttering with partly open wings to expose his yellow pectoral tufts or armpits while singing to the female. Breeding males of citrine bagtail are quite spectacular and unmistakable during the breeding season. Bright yellow head and body contrasts with black collar and grey back. The male performs a courtship flight display, flying into the air before descending while singing. The song is usually given from a perch. A repeated calling interspersed with wobbling phrases. Red starts, known for their vibrant plumage, the males feature a striking red or orange patches on their tails, giving them their name. Females, on the other hand, have a grayish-brown plumage. During courtship display, the male redstart performs a captivating display, flickering their wings and tail while singing. The male redstart's song is a beautiful medley of whistles, trills, and chirps. Jungle Prinia. Its stout black bill and characteristic song render it unmistakable during the breeding season. In breeding plumage, adults are grey-brown above with whitish underpart. Very vocal, especially in spring, their song is a long series of repetitive notes. A wildly successful group, about half of the planet's bird species are songbirds.